Tips for camping that anyone can benefit from. Camping can be great fun, but it really isn't something you just want to do on a whim. It will work out much better if you plan a camping trip and plan it well. The following video outlines important things you should consider before heading out for that weekend. Getting in touch with nature. If you are planning any kind of backcountry camping, a must-carry item is a fire starter kit. If you are in a survival situation, fire is a way to cook, keep you warm, purify water, and signal for help. Many camping stores sell fire starters that can be used when wet and do not require any fuel. Also, try making fire when you are not in a survival situation so you know you can do it if the need arises. When you pack up your campsite to go home, leave a few logs and some kindling for the next camping group that comes along. If you have ever arrived at your site after dark, you know how tough it can be to find firewood. It's a very nice pay-it-forward gesture that will probably help out more than you can imagine. Let all of your family members have a chance to contribute to picking a campsite. Engage in conversation about what state and location they would like to visit. There are a lot of choices in the USA, it is hard to choose just one. To make your decision easier, pick a few favorites and then vote on the final choice. As was shown in the above video, camping can indeed be great fun, but it does take some advanced planning to make sure it all goes well. Use the advice and tips shown here to make a checklist so your trip is one of relaxation and not one of "I wish I would have planned this better beforehand." Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.